You're watching Markets for you, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Thursday after the outlook for the Eurozone and riskier assets in general improved, and many traders elected to stand aside ahead of key data on Friday. The greenback ended the day 1.3607 to the euro and 104.81 to the yen. Today's data includes non-farm payrolls, which are expected to fall to 195,000 from 203,000 previously. Next, to the euro. The euro rose on Thursday after a successful auction of Irish debt on the previous day lessened concerns about the periphery and Trump's dovish ECB commentary from after its monthly rate meeting. The single currency ended the day 1.3607 to the dollar and 142.63 to the yen. British pound. The pound traded mixed on Thursday after the BOE left policy unchanged as widely anticipated and didn't tweak their forward guidance to make it harder to achieve as had been feared. Sterling ended the day 1.6478 to the dollar and 0.8355 to the euro. Today's data includes industrial and manufacturing production in November, with the former expected to fall to 2.8% and the latter to rise to 3.2%. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Thursday as a result of a fall in safety flows following a rise in global risk appetite on a better outlook for the euro. Concerns about a slowdown in 2014 and the possibility of a rise in BOJ stimulus to combat it also weighed. The Japanese currency ended the day 104.81 to the dollar and 172.71 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signal from experts on the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.3575 with targets at 1.3630 and 1.3655 in extension. Below 1.3575, which will look for further downside with 1.3555 and 1.3525 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.6430 with targets at 1.6495 and 1.6525 in extension. Below 1.6430, which will look for further downside with 1.6395 and 1.6337 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 104.6 with targets at 105.1 and 105.4 in extension. Below 104.6, which will look for further downside with 104.2 and 104 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong. You've been watching Markets4you. Have a great weekend.